Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression into the simplified form. So we have 2 over 3 and its exponent is 2 over 3. So we need to simplify this algebraic expression by using the radical or exponential laws. So here I can give you the solution of this problem by step-by-step solution. Okay, and I hope so you like this video. So that now the very first thing we are going to do is here first we write this exponential form into the radical form. So here we apply this nice exponential law. You know that if we have a to the power of m over n, we write it as a to the power of m into nth root. Okay, so we apply this nice exponential law on this term, and this term will be written as 2 over 3 and its whole squared. And you see here we have this is 3, so we write here the cube root. Okay, so now after that here we apply the exponential law inside the term or in the radicand, so that we know that if you have a over b and its whole power m equals a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Okay, so we just separate this square on both of these terms, and it will be written as a cube root of 2 squared divided by 3 squared. And further in the next step we opened these squared and we write it as cube root of 4 divided by 9. And now after that here we apply the property of radical. So you have a over b and its nth root, so we write it as nth root of a divided by nth root of b in this way. Okay, so that here we just separate this cube root on both of these terms, and we write it as a cube root of 4 divided by cube root of 9. So further here we use another nice property of radical. So we know that if you have nth root of a, then we multiply this term by a to the power of n minus 1 into nth root, and we divide by a to the power of n minus 1 into nth root. If you have nth root, then you write this is a to the power of n minus 1, but in that case we have a cube root, so that we write a 9 to the power of 3 minus 1 or 4 to the power of 3 minus 1. Okay, so here we apply this nice radical law. So according to this law we multiply and divide this whole term by cube root of 4 divided by cube root of 9 and multiplied by 9 to the power of 3 minus 1 and its cube root divided by 9 to the power of 3 minus 1 and its cube root. Okay, so after this step we need to simplify the terms, and we have cube root of 4 divided by cube root of 9 multiplied by 9 squared and its cube root divided by 9 squared and its cube root. Okay, so further here we use another property of radical. So you know that if we have nth root of a multiplied by nth root of b, then we combine these nth root and we write nth root of ab. Okay, so according to this law here you see that we combine the terms which lies in the denominator, so that we have cube root of 4 is multiplied by here we just expand this 9 squared. We know that 9 squared equals to 81 and its cube root. So here we just combine the cube root on both of these terms, and it will be written as 9 to the power of 1 multiplied by 9 squared and its whole cube root. So after that, here we need to some working in the denominator, and we know that if you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, so it will be written as a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so here we use this nice property of exponents in the denominator of this term, so that our denominator is written as cube root of 4 multiplied by 81 cube root divided by 9 cubed and its cube root. Okay, because you have this is 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 2 becomes 3. And after this step, you just we first rewrite this expression as so this is cube root of 4 multiplied by this is 81, and we write this 81 as 27 times of 3 and its cube root divided by, here we use the another nice property of cube root. So you know that if you have a to the power of n and its nth root, so these n and nth root are cancelled by each other and you get again a. Okay, so here you see that these 3 and cube root are cancelled by each other and you get only 9. So here we need to more working on this term, so that in order to write this into the simplified form. So if you focus on this 27, now here we apply another radical law. So if you have nth root of a multiplied by b, so we write it as nth root of a into nth root of b. Okay, so according to this law, here we need to separate this cube root on both of these terms, and it will be written as a cube root of 4 multiplied by 27 cube root multiplied by cube root of 3 divided by 9. So here you see that we rewrite this 27 as in this form, cube root of 4 multiplied by, we know that 27 equals to 3 cubed and its cube root, and multiplied by cube root of 3 divided by 9. So again we use this property of this property of cube root. Okay, these two are cancelled by each other and you get a, so that according to this property these 3 and cube root are gone and we obtain cube root of 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by cube root of 3, and it is divided by 9. So you see that these 3 3s are 9, and we have here we apply the another property of cube root, and we combine the cube root on both of these terms, and it will be written as 4 multiplied by 3 and its cube root, and it is divided by 3. Okay, so here you see that 4 times of 3 becomes 12 and its cube root divided by 3. So this is the our final answer in this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.